So, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to generate a battery health report, including advanced statistics for your laptop battery. It's a very simple process. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First, search for CMD in the Windows search bar and run command prompt as administrator. In the command prompt window, type powercfg/batteryreport. Alternatively, you can copy this command from the description box below. Once you've typed it correctly, hit enter. Now you'll see a message showing the location on your disk where the battery report has been saved in HTML format. On my system, it's saved inside the System32 folder under the Windows directory. So, go to your C drive, then Windows, and then System32. Next, open the battery report file, which is an HTML using any web browser. This report provides a brief overview of your operating system and detailed information about your battery, including the model number, chemistry, and capacity. The recent usage section shows when your laptop was on battery versus plugged in, and logs battery drain over the past few days. The battery usage section gives you a graph and table of your battery drain history, helping you see how fast your battery discharges. In usage history, you can see a timeline of when your laptop was charging versus discharging, which is useful for understanding your charging habits. The battery capacity history section tracks your full charge capacity versus design capacity over time, letting you monitor how your battery's health is degrading with use. Finally, in the battery life estimate section, Windows provides an estimate of how long your battery lasts on average. You'll see two columns here, at design capacity, when the battery was new, and at full charge capacity, its current performance. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.